Down here, downtown Pensacola, when your buddy from way back hits you up, says, let's go to a brewery, that's what you do. So, never been here before. He hit me to Old Colony Brewery. So we're gonna go in and check it out and meet up. So we'll see you back. I made it down here. Got me a, what is this called, Tiff?
I can't remember.
I'm not gonna remember what it's called at the end of the night anyway. So fuck it. I'm already like
Something
something BG.
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 No, not the Bee Gees.
No.
BG.
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 Yeah.
Bitchy. Something bitchy. I'm a little bitchy. Whatever. It is what it is. I've already had like 9 shots before I got here of disgusting rum that I'm gonna tell them about here in a minute.
Jesus.
Let's just put it this way. Bob Dylan can't make rum. Yeah, that's terrible.
He can't make good music either.
Oh, hold on. He can't what?
Good music.
Yeah, he does not make good
No.
music. Everybody must get whatever.
Oh, the YouTube video?
Yeah, so we're down here at Odd Colony Brewery, and we're getting ready to they have a food truck outside, so we're getting ready to order us some food.
It's right here?
It's right here. Hold on. Oh, there it is. What is that, Tiff?
This is the oyster po' boy.
Oyster po' boy. Give it a bite. Give it a big bite. Come on now. Yeah? Nice. All right, babe. Come on, dig in.
I got the noodles. Is it spicy though?
I have no idea.
Probably.
This is from the Two Birds food truck. Two Birds.
That's good.
Yeah? All right, good job, guys. I like it. I think that she's tearing it up. How is it now?
That's good. I like more the, what you call that? The brisket?
The brisket? All right.
The brisket, definitely the winner.
Yeah, for sure.
sure.
I mean, look at that. Oh wait, hold on. I had the brisket too, and that's all I got left. And a little bit of napkin.
You gotta hold it like Mufasa.
Yeah, there we go. Ooh, look at that. Oh. Yeah, it's so good. What is it called again? Two birds. Oh wait, hold on. There's one bird. There's 2 birds right there. 2 birds. Ooh, boom. Yeah. The shit is amazing. All right, we made our way home from Odd Colony Brewery. It was really good. Like I really liked it there. The food truck was 2 Birds food truck. The brisket,
was delicious.
amazing.
It was
And
amazing.
we had the noodles.
Yeah, I did have the noodles, but it was okay.
The
But-
noodles were okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were good, but they weren't great, but they were
Yeah,
good. But the brisket, my God,
Yeah.
was really good.
Yeah.
The beers there are good. It's a nice setting, really cool vibe. Was really great getting to catch up with Drew and Tiffany. Glad we got to see them. And then now we're back home having a nightcap, and I'm having this one here, Stolen smoked rum. Don't ever buy it. It's really not good.
And why you keep drinking it anyways?
I mean, you can't just stop drinking it. It's a sin, like, you know. It's a sin. You can't just like leave the whole bottle. Like, you bought the bottle, you got to drink the bottle. No matter how bad it is, you got to finish it up.
Oh, I'm gonna throw it away.
Yeah, I mean, It wouldn't be bad if you threw it away. But as long as it's here, I'm gonna keep finishing it up. But yeah, this one, don't buy it. It's not. It's really bad. I'm telling you, the flavor's terrible. But Odd Colony Brewery, Pensacola, check it out. It's really really nice. Two Birds food truck. If you see them out, get that brisket.
Brisket.
The brisket. My God.
Yeah, I recommend the brisket.
It was amazing. So, all right. Well, we'll check y'all out next time.